In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay shipping and returns. We'll be working from an eBay listing draft, and the goal here is to make sure your shipping settings are configured clearly so buyers know what to expect before they purchase. This is an important part of creating a professional listing because accurate shipping details can help improve buyer confidence and reduce confusion later. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage your listings and drafts. Once you're there, click on Drafts to open the listings you've already started but haven't finished yet. From your drafts page, find the item you want to continue working on and click Resuming Draft. That will open the listing editor so you can update the details for that specific product. Next, look for the shipping section of the listing. This is where you control how the item will be delivered, which carrier you want to use, and what buyers will be charged. It's a good idea to review this section carefully since shipping choices can affect both cost and delivery speed. In the shipping area, click Add Primary Services. This allows you to choose the main shipping method you want to offer for the listing. eBay typically gives you several carrier and service options, so take a moment to select the service that best matches the size, weight, and delivery expectations for your item. After that, select the shipping service you want to. For example, you might choose FedEx if that option works well for the package you're sending. When choosing a service, keep in mind that buyers often appreciate a balance between reasonable shipping costs and reliable delivery time. The best option will depend on what you're selling and how quickly you want it to arrive. Once you've selected your shipping service, click Save. This confirms the primary shipping method and applies it to the listing draft. Saving at this stage helps make sure your selection is locked in before you continue making other changes. After saving, click Offer Free Shipping, if that's the option you want to provide. Free shipping can make a listing more attractive to buyers, since many shoppers prefer seeing a simple total price without extra shipping charges added at checkout. If you choose this option, just remember that the shipping cost will need to be built into your item price. And that's how to set up your eBay shipping and returns section from a draft listing by selecting a primary shipping service and enabling free shipping if needed. Once you've finished these settings, you'll be one step closer to publishing a polished buyer-friendly listing.